phone eh?
Me not blood clot.
The boy Capo here. I'm back with another prank. As you can see by myself right now, it's kinda early in the morning, and this time I decided to do a very stupid prank on Abby. You know I say stupid because it might end up very bad for me. I'm Abby kinda crazy. Yeah, she loco. And this prank I trigger her off wicked. But anyway, you don't know me how this see me because that's who I am. So guys, as you can see by the title, it's the cheating in sleep prank on girlfriend. You know this is gonna be lit. Me I wanna have to go work still because truly speaking, I don't really talk in my sleep, so I'm gonna see if I go really far for that prank, yeah. I feel she go far for it still because she's crazy and she just jump to conclusion and start cussing them something there. So guys, my teeth out of the house a while ago, well out of the room, tiptoe come out here. I'm gonna tiptoe go back in right now, put up the camera and get ready for the prank. So what you must do right now people, spam the comment section, Team Capo, comment down below, you understand, Team Capo, and follow me on Instagram at I am Cappuccino, follow Abby too, Aloshia Maduman, at Abby Attas, and follow our couple page, Abby_Capo, yes people. And also we have a comedy channel, we don't really post on it of lately, but it's gonna start post on it again, it's Abby and Capo Comedy TV, so also you can follow that channel as well. So without no further talking, let's flick right into the video. So when you see again, so you're not gonna look for me, Amanda. Now look for me. Yes, again, Amanda. Again, Amanda.
Hi. Yes, Mama.
What?
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Abu.
You come, Mama. No, you come now.
You're gonna sleep now,
Let me see. I'll leave that for you.
Long time not see him, girl. You know, star. You see me here tomorrow.
Oi! Oi!
Where are them for?
Why you continue to call Amanda when you sleep?
What? Who needs her?
You have blood clot phone.
Who needs her?
I'm one now on Amanda. Give me your phone.
Mom, tell you.
Give me your phone.
What wrong?
Give me your phone.
Mom, tell me.
Yeah, tell what if you're not see Amanda today.
Who you talk about? Who you talk about?
Never stop prank for me. Stop prank for me. Yeah, never stop prank for me. I have time for a dirty watch this morning.
Oh, girl.
Give me a phone.
You can't bother people, so man.
Give me a phone. When you're Amanda.
I'm deep sleep and you're trouble me. What you beat me for?
Come on, come on, blood.
What I'm doing? Hey. Hello.
When you're Amanda.
Wait up, mommy.
Why the fuck you have to abandon your slave?
No, man, man. No, take up. What I'm doing?
Come on, come on.
No, seriously. Oh,
If you don't sleep at Amanda, I'm going to see you tomorrow.
you're talking to my sleep.
Must have put that line. Must have put that line.
I can't mean that.
Come on, fucking bed. Move.
Man, you're dreaming up.
You're going to deserve to get on my princess.
Come see you.
Come on, from bed.
Oh, man, talk to my sleep. I can't mean that. You wicked, you know? Sure.
Let her for me.
What?
When I touch me, go on, go touch Amanda.
Stop telling
Go
me.
on for Amanda, what you say I look for.
I mean, no like that.
Take her from, take her from. Take your blood clot from.
What?
You can move your hand. Don't touch me, move your hand.
Why?
Stop running from me, let her for me.
Until I said, but I can't find me, man. I from there. Maybe not only so. Never know for. The man will pick up around 5 people. Just search the man out there, you know.
You're sitting here.
I do that, man. Oh, prank. You say I'm prank, you know, so give me
So why not you like Amanda? Give me a phone, because what's Amanda?
that's fine.
Let her for me, let her for me.
Wow.
Let her for me.
Relax yourself now, you want prank, man. Look over the foot. Yeah, man, I make you eat that, man. You not even talking to my sleep.
I'm safe phone.
You're talking to my sleep?
I'm safe phone.
Why? You're talking to my sleep?
I'm safe phone.
For what?
What's safe is Amanda, isn't it?
So what if I'm on my phone?
Where phone? What's the camera where you want Amanda?
What do you?
You think you come to boy prank?
See the phone there?
We not blood clot, baby.
Eat that.
We not blood clot, baby.
Eat that.
Baby.
Eat that. See phone
Give
there?
me a phone, give me a phone, give me a phone.
You know you're a shit man now. Don't like him, man. Give me a phone, bro.
Give me a phone.
That man doesn't know my phone. You know he does. Help him.
Amanda.
Alright.
Amanda, you will wait. Things are around to you. A delete message.
What?
Why the message is scarce?
What do you mean? I brought them whenever you go there. Yeah, man. Pick up your head.
Fufu friend, that idiot.
Full prank.
Fufu friend.
That one in the kid. Yeah, man. I'm on that number still long time. Friend him, I'm on a long time. Make it look well suspicious.
So why Amanda knew?
How you feel?
That was okay, sir.
How you feel? Baby, I'm on my phone. How you feel? You think I'm going to make a weird name come in the way now I go find on my phone? It have been on my phone, so you search your phone. You see an on my phone.
Stop on princess, can we fight you?
Guys, look at this shit. 21 years old, look at that.
I'm 22 to be exact.
You don't know, oh god. I shove that pan a bit. I'm up to 5 hours.
Hey, don't happen me here, me fight you.
Shall go try beat me up.
Oh.
So guys,
Oh, in there. You look up the blood clot and that's why in
of course I like
there.
it fun because I want the audio to be good. Yes. Good
Can't
morning.
wait for later.
Abby, you know the prank
Stop
good.
being in your face full of butter.
People, my bird stink after 6 in the morning.
Usual.
So you don't know. Abby get fall for that trap. Of course she can fall, but she falls, she kind of fool now. Because I don't sleep when I talk in my sleep, number one. And number two, I'm an idiot. But you know she fool already. So of course the prank will work. So guys, if you enjoy, just make sure you spam the comment section with Team Capo. Because she not ready yet. She not ready for the war. Yeah man, look at the camera, the ugly self man, look. She never ready for the war. Early morning prank. Can if you cut it now. You don't know anything go. Team Capo in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram. Don't follow she. She name Abby Attas. Don't follow her, but follow me. I am Capo Chino. Follow our couple channel too. Abby_Capo. Subscribe to the channel, this channel, and the comedy channel. Abby and Capo Comedy TV. So people, make sure to give you the support we need. Back to the idiot now. So people, if you know that prank was a good prank, you know what to do.
People, who
Abby,
don't know how to
just tell me
fly
to
at the
catch-
team,
catch you.
Abby.
Let me catch you.
You have like class.
You're not playing licking in
Yeah,
you're not showing lick for me.
Yeah, catch you.
Search her phone. Find the conversation, Amanda.
Stop putting on my face. Okay?
Conversation deleted. She starts panic now.
Oh, so you delete conversation
Yes,
with
it's some
you?
delete. Of course, I leave it true. Because more it looks, more start question everything now. Are you stupid?
The camera.
Oh, that was a good prank. We have more to come, people. Enough more. I gotta see. Make sure we walk. Oh, fuck. We're gone. She's farting and sleep. Relax. Look at this.
They call that a morning fast.
Disgusting. Look off fire now. My camera you up. No standard enough.
Move the black cat camera on my face, no pussy.
Oh, you're talking so. So guys, just comment down below if you enjoy this video.
Team Abby, guys.
If you want more prank, just comment down below. You see? Oh. So guys, see you in the next prank. In my next prank, cause she can't prank me again. See you in my next prank. Team Capo down below.